Onojo weche mag tuke. Jatend piny William Ruto ne obago romo gi jotelo mag riwruoge mag kembe ji giwegi kama ne giketo kata ne gitwake wi yore mag bero sekta mag tuke pacho ka. Romo makama otimore okinyi ma kawuono e par loch mar jatend piny buore Nairobi. Romo makama noyangore ni idhi keto kenge makare sekta mar tuke mar ne jo Kenya mani kod were mopogore opogore mag tuke yudo kaka ginyalo konyore gi talent maggi. Ma otimore mana ndalo manok bang' Kenya bago tuke mag CHAN ne buore Nairobi kama Harambee Stars nochopo e quarter finals.
This as an opportunity not just to get it light on sports, but we connect that with the culture, content creation, fashion, and regional identity of the country. So it's a bigger picture because they are all interlinked.
As we take this breakfast meeting, Your Excellency, we are energized to face Africa Cup of Nations preparations with vigor. Vigor in ensuring that we have formidable infrastructure, but also having the structures to prepare a formidable team that is going to win the trophy.
It is our collective responsibility because it speaks to the nation, the welfare of the nation, the stability of the nation, the engagement with the young people of our nation, and the profile and branding of our nation, where we all live in, where you do business, and where we all belong. Your brand manager.